Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and I could not let March end without giving the elves what they love most, and that is a weekly candle post-burn review. So yes, we are doing a post-burn review video, everyone. Get excited! I have 6 candles to discuss today for you all. You know, that's the standard number that we do. And let me see, do we have a mix of brands this time? Yes, we have a mix of brands this time, so I'm very excited about that. I like to mix it up and, you know, feature different things here on the channel, but alas, yeah, we're going to have a good time here as always. When it comes to post-burn reviews, we rate candles by 3 categories, and those categories are: first up is burn experience. How did the actual candle perform during its burn time? We talk about all of that during that category. Second is throw on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being scentless wax and 10 being a powerhouse and I smell it for days, even blown out. Then the third category, which is the most important category, and that is, would I repurchase this candle again? And that is simply a yes or no answer. So there you have it, elves. Those are the categories. For the new ones that don't know how this goes, now you know. But before we get into the post-burn reviews, you know, we have to take care of our normal housekeeping first, everyone. Lipstick of the day, everyone. Lipstick of the day. It's been a whirlwind of a day. Yeah, car trouble will truly throw your day off, but alas, it's been resolved. So we are more natural today for that reason. And the lip of the day is from MAC, and this is the color Taupe. Check that out. Color Taupe. It's a peachy brown color. Check that out. I'm digging it. Elves, let me know what you think in the comments below, like y'all always do. Next up, we have fragrance of the day, everyone. This is a oldie but goodie now to me, as far as I'm concerned about it, because I wear it a lot and everybody goes goo goo and gaga over it. And this is none other than Mrs. Francis Kurkdjian, or MFK for short, and this is the original Baccarat Rouge Eau de Parfum. Yes, this is the one that has the world in a tizzy, even though it's not new. But I love it. It's great. It's a crowd pleaser, and yeah, that is our fragrance of the day. Bonus, you all. I have to get excited about this because I love when people think enough of me to send me things. As you all know, I do put where to send items and things to me. My mailbox is always in my description box. You all have sent me letters, people send me things, PR, all that lovely good stuff. But I'm very excited about this one because I love when a new and small business brand reaches out to me, or in this case, they didn't reach out to me. They just sent it. And yeah, so I got a lovely thank you card from the brand, and the brand is called Scenttcandles. They just launched in February, and they thought enough of me to send me a box, so I don't take that lightly, especially being a new business. I mean, all of your inventory matters. But yeah, check out the box that it came in. It says "Scent for You," which is super cute. This is how it came. And we have a little mini candle. It's called Fresh Air. That is fresh air. This is very nice. It's very masculine. I could see that being in like a men's area. I could see that. And then they also sent me a large candle, and it has on here scent, and the scent is called Sparkle. It's 100% natural soy wax, so we always like that. Check out the candle they sent. Thank you again, Scenttcandles. I appreciate it. And ooh, it's a wood wick type of candle. 2 wicks are in here. Oh, this is fruity and it's strong. Whoa. This is like apricot. Okay, this is like apricot. It has some candle safety information, made here in the US of A. And I'll have their information in the description box below because you all, they're so nice. Thank you, Scenttcandles. And this candle is no joke. This is a strong throw-on code, so I'm impressed by that. Thank you again, Scenttcandles. All right, now, elves, let's get into these post-burn reviews. Let's go ahead and kick things off with a Black History Month candle from Bath & Body Works. This was the one I had to have. This had the prettiest packaging in my opinion, and this is none other than the Unity candle. Yes, Unity candle. And the candle really is coconut sandalwood, which for those elves that's been with me for over a year now, you know coconut sandalwood is like one of my top 3 summer scent candles that I love. So, you know, technically it's early for this time of year, but I'm here for the scent, so I bought it in February. Here we are. And again, the notes in coconut sandalwood are coconut palm, luxurious sandalwood, warm musk, and jasmine. And in this special edition version, white wax, and as you can see, burned all the way down for our burn experience. This did no sooting, no issues. This was an excellent, flawless victory in the burn experience. Amazing. Now let's get into the throw. Even burned all the way down, this throw is still high on this one. Coconut Sandalwood is a high performer that's creamy and soft at the same time. It's really fascinating how that works out. It's the sandalwood, really, to be honest, in here. So I'm glad that, yeah, I mean, it's called Coconut Sandalwood after all. Throw on this one to me is an 8.5, and it's really amazing to be a creamy smelling scent, but it's divine. This is a signature house-worthy scent, in my opinion. I could truly see somebody's living room smelling like this for all of the warmer months. It's that good, and it's crowd friendly, it's guest friendly. I can totally see this being a signature scent as it comes out later in the year, for sure. That's if they bring it back, but Coconut Sandalwood is divine for that. You can already guess where I'm gonna go here. Would I repurchase this candle again? And this is an absolutely yes. I told y'all this is my top 3 favorite summer scents. So Unity or Coconut Sandalwood is absolutely a repurchase for me. I need more of it. And again, that is the Unity candle, aka Coconut Sandalwood from Bath & Body Works. All right, we're gonna keep the special edition going, and I do have another Bath & Body Works candle for you, and it is a special edition, well, special lid type of candle. And this is none other than the Pink Prosecco Frosting Candle, yes, aka part of the Pretty Lid collection that came out earlier in the year. So now let's get into the notes for Pink Prosecco Frosting. We have pink sugared buttercream, fresh blackberries, and chilled Prosecco. It's okay, true to its form. So let's get into the burn experience. This candle took its time burning, I have to say. Usually when things can be special, especially when you get into colored wax, things can burn faster. But this had white wax, and this one took its time burning, so I truly got the full, what's that, 25 to 45 hours. Yep, 25 to 45 hours that's claimed on here. This definitely leaned closer to that 45-hour mark. So for its burn experience, slow burner. I liked it. Now let's get into the throw. That Prosecco note definitely jumped out, but this one still wasn't ridiculously loud to me. So I give this one a throw of a 7. Yes, Pink Prosecco Frosting gets a 7 for me because I could see it did what it needed to do, but it wasn't annoying, it wasn't obnoxious, it wasn't burning my hairs out in my nose. So yeah, it's a 7. Would I repurchase Pink Prosecco Frosting again? The tardiness of it is kind of like the part that kind of loses me a little bit. It was cool for a one and done, but yeah, I don't need more of this. This is not a hoard worthy candle, so for me, no, I would not repurchase Pink Prosecco Frosting. It is a no for me, y'all. All right, you all, elves, we're gonna switch gears and do a, let's see here. We're gonna do here a Glade candle. This was my Glade, one of their cookie collections that they did during the Christmas time. I do not have the name on here. I will have to find it for y'all. But alas, I did a video when I did a haul of these. But anywho, let's talk about this one. So check it out. It's, yes, it's like caramel cookie, that's what it is. And yeah, this one, the burn experience, this thing started to nub out, so that's why I have so much wax here. Yeah, so burn experience is not good because the wicks disappeared. So Throw on a scale of 1 to 10, this one was very soft. Throw was a 3, which to be a cookie scent was kind of disappointing for me here. And I'm just like, wow, I had such high hopes for you on cold. But alas, it's a Glade candle. I didn't spend that much for it. I spent $5, if even that, for it. So I mean, hey, not too distraught about it. It is what it is. So would I repurchase this candle again? It's an absolutely no for me. This candle did not perform good at all. Hence why it has so much wax left. So yeah, the Christmas candles, and I have the name of this candle in the description box for you all below. Yeah, this didn't do what it needs to do. And it was a 3-wick. So disappointing. Try again, Glade. Not it. The next candle, this one is so pretty. She is a diva, and honey, she's giving packaging wise anyway. This is from Bath & Body Works, and this is none other than the special candle that was Pure Wonder. Yes, Pure Wonder. I picked her up during, I want to say Candle Day. I feel like it's when I got her, but anywho, the notes in Pure Wonder are Iced Rosé, Star Jasmine, Warm White Amber. Y'all, this candle is just pretty. I mean, look at the label here. This is a work of art, and I'm here for it. So let's get into the burn experience. You all, Pure Wonder is beautiful on the outside, as you can see, but the inside, she is a sooty mess. Look at this ring of soot in here. Y'all, look at this. Look at all that soot in there. Look at it. And you see, it started around the halfway mark. I'm like, girl, what was going on? She burned beautifully those first 2-3 burns. But once we got to the halfway mark, the soot just showed up and it was just everywhere. It just got black in here. And I'm like, what is going on? Yeah, so thumbs down on burn experience for that reason. Next up, we have throw on a scale of 1 to 10. Y'all, this one, it was like pretty perfume. This smells like true, like women's perfume, like old school style. That's why I like it. So honestly, this was a powerhouse. This was a 10 for me on the throw. So yes, you was a soup monster, but you threw like crazy. So ideal. Powerhouse. Pure wonder. Beautiful. Excellent. Would I repurchase this candle again? Despite the sooting issue, because it happened midway, so maybe I just got a one-off situation. I'm willing to repurchase this candle again because I love the scent. Pure Wonder was beautiful. Like, it filled the room. I felt like a princess smelling it. It just made me feel like I was in a castle and kingdom and all that. Like, that's what Pure Wonder gave me. So yeah, I like it. And again, that is the Bath & Body Works candle, Pure Wonder. Next up, you all, we have another Bath & Body Works candle, and this is White Barn Core Collection. This is a classic. This is Black Cherry Merlot. Yes, I always have to have at least one in the collection. And so let's get into burn experience. Flawless victory, everyone. Check that out. And this is an oldie but goodie, but you know what? I'm gonna reiterate the notes for everyone anyway. So notes, we have wild black cherries, velvety red wine, juicy red raspberries, bright plum. These notes look interesting. I thought these notes have changed. Elves, let me know. Do you think these notes have changed here in the new Black Cherry Merlots, or am I making it up in my head? Let me know in the comments below. Y'all be on it. But it still smells the same, so I'll say that. But yes, burn experience was a flawless victory. No complaints there whatsoever. Throw on a scale of 1 to 10. Throw on Black Cherry Merlot. I always smell this candle. It fills the room. Throw is an 8, so it crosses right over into the beginnings of Powerhouse. Love it. Wonderful evening candle. I highly recommend it. This was one of my bath time candles for a while. That's why I have these single wicks of it, and I love it. So now, would I repurchase this candle again? Yes. This is one of those forever scents, in my opinion, that if I see they try to get rid of it at some point, I probably would buy a backup or two just to have, because I enjoy Black Cherry Merlot here and there. It's a good candle. Excellent. Last candle, everyone, and this is an Aldi candle. This is from the Huntington home line, and this is their Tobacco Petals candle. Yes. Feels good to be back on my Aldi. So now, you all, let's get into the burn experience. This thing decided to soot like nobody's business. Look at the bottom of the candle. Y'all, look at all that soot down there. So as you see, I am not making it up. But the wax isn't terrible, and it burned down evenly. So check that out. Very even, flawless burn. I cannot complain with that category, but the soot, it seems to all settle at the bottom. So I will have to note that for my L's that have been asking me about Aldi candles. Beware of some of that sooting. Throw on a scale of 1 to 10. This was another one that did really well, you all. Tobacco Petals, it was a solid 8. It was a solid 8. It did very well. And again, Huntington home candles are under $5. So that's what makes these candles a great find, a great deal whenever you can get them. Again, pay attention to your Aldi weekly mailer so you know when they're dropping a new collection, so you know what to get it. Like in my area today, it's Wednesday, so I know on Wednesdays after work, I have to swoop in there if I want the new, or otherwise it will be gone by Friday. It's the thing. So anywho, you all, yes, this is a wonderful 8 throwing candle. We like it. And would I repurchase Tobacco Petals again? I did enjoy the scent because it was unique. It was floral, but still had that tobacco smoky note in it. So yeah, for the fact that it was unique, I would get this one again. And I'm starting to see that Aldi is starting to clearance out candles now. I've been noticing it in the community. So this is one, if I saw they clearance it down to like $2.50 or something like that, I would pick it up. Why not? So again, that's the Huntington home Aldi candle line, and this is the Tobacco Petals. So all right, elves, that wraps up this edition of Weekly Candle Post Burn Reviews. It's the end of March. Super excited. And yeah, we can walk into April with a few less candles in our lives. So alas, if you're liking me, subscribe to the channel. If you're digging the content, like the video. And if you don't like neither one, that's fine. Thank you for the view. I do appreciate it. Until next time, elves, I'll catch y'all next video. Bye, y'all.